Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life.
Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. We are off on the road again. Oh, well, walking anyway. I don't know if you can see me because I can't actually see the viewfinder, I can't see it. But we're off walking towards my midwife appointment.
Actually 3.
Oh no, we've got 2 appointments. I've got to go to the doctor's surgery first and get my whooping cough vaccine. Then I've got to go to the midwife's office and have my GTT diabetes or gestational diabetes check. And then where the day takes us. Also, the girls have some of their pocket money with them, so there is a chance we probably will be popping into Poundland so they can spend that money. And I don't really know what they're looking for, but they want to, if there's money in their pocket, it'll burn a hole through it, so they need to spend it, clearly. Well, you girls got any ideas on what you're going to spend it on? You don't know yet?
I know.
What are you going to spend it on? Sweeties?
Oh, I might get a toy.
Oh, the sun. Either sweeties or a toy. We will see. Look at that view. Huh? You can look right over everything. Uh-oh. There's a big bump. Hold on. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful, Bella? I know, it's gorgeous. The windmill. If you look far, far over the view. You just see 2? Oh yeah, I see it. Dylan's getting some scenic pictures in. Isn't it gorgeous, Dils?
Alright.
It is beautiful.
There we go, I got the windmill.
You got the windmill?
Yeah.
It's right through the middle. I don't know if we can actually see it. I can't see. The sun's so bright. Hopefully we've caught it. Oh, I hear the policeman's. Can you hear the policeman's?
My zoom is really good.
It's absolutely gorgeous over here. But we had to break out the sunnies because it is so sunny and bright. Oh, it looks like the policeman's after somebody naughty, huh? There you go. There's a helicopter. It's getting closer.
Is it up there?
Yeah.
The white thing in the sky.
It's only teeny tiny. I don't know if we'll even pick it up. Not really sure if Dad's okay, to be honest. Should we just leave him here? There's a crow sat in that tree, just watching us, waiting for us to drop some food.
And look at that puppy, isn't it?
It's absolutely gorgeous down here, isn't it? I haven't been to this part for now about 10 years, maybe longer, maybe even 15.
What about River?
Ah.
Can I take my bag off and put it on?
Yes, you may. Good girl for asking. Well done.
This has been best day
What
especially
about
when I
River?
saw the husky.
You saw the husky. Did you like? You love huskies, don't you? Yeah. She got a pet, a husky.
Look, it's there.
Oh, it's sitting there. It's waiting for us to drop some food.
Whoa.
Careful, it might come down and bite your nose. You got We've finally made it to our hospital appointment. My hair's gonna fly away. What's that? And we finally made it to our, well, my hospital appointment. We're gonna get candy. Finally made it to the midwife appointment. Sit down on the buggy, bub. And we've walked 3.7 miles over the course of what, an hour and a half? If you take out a break for where we've sat in the doctors. And don't be cheeky. Yeah, about 3.7 miles, and most of it was uphill. Oh my goodness, that was so difficult. But we're here. As you can tell, the girls are hungry and they just want to eat. I'm going to do something with my face because my mask has like wiped all of my makeup off. My hair's gone frizzy, my nose is running, I'm looking so good. And yeah, so
I'm Mini Lily.
you girls going to sit outside.
Yeah, and I'm Mini Lily.
You are Mini Lily.
I'm Mini Chloe.
Right, you're going to sit out here and you're going to eat your sandwiches that you made while I go and see the midwife.
Can anyone come with you?
No, I've got to go in by myself, darling. That's all right, you sit there, darling. You've got to sit in there for your safety. I'll probably be about half an hour, I think. Maybe a bit longer because we're actually early. But anyway, let's go in and get this all done. Oh dear. Been brought into one of the birthing rooms to wait for a minute before I get my check done. It's lovely in here. I wish I could birth in here, but I can't because I'm high risk. I've got to birth at the hospital, but it's so lovely in here. We have finally reached the pound shop. You would like to go to the toys? Okay, let's go find the toys. We've got arts and crafts. We've got all sorts in here. Oh my goodness. What can you see, girls?
Cocomelon.
Cocomelon? Among Us? I don't understand that
I
game.
don't really like this.
Yeah? Okay. Listen. Not everything's £1, so you got to check the prices. Are you going to do the basket?
Baby!
It's a baby! What is it? We're not getting that right now.
But I cut £3.
Oh no, look, there's LOL there. £2 LOL. Found anything, Bella?
Mom, I like to get these best.
Harper, look what they've got. They've got a xylophone.
Oh, look at me.
A ding dong. Oh, what did you find, Bella? Oh, I love it. Oh, whoa, Zuma. It's cute. There's a lot more down there, look. What have you found here, Lily? Whoa, what about you, Bella? Anything yet? Babies! Oh my goodness. What's that? Oh, there is a makeup section. Are you buying cleaning products so you can clean up for me? Oh man! Look who we bumped into! Auntie Sam! You enjoying those? Are they nice? The girls bought themselves sweeties because they couldn't find anything else. Hey. Hi. Oh, did you finish? You got some quivers, didn't you? They're super hungry all the time. Are you watching the birdies?
One thing though.
The birdies.
I think you need to watch me because I might eat the whole bag.
Let's not eat the whole bag, hey?
I can't help it.
She's so fascinated by all the birdies. Look, should we go see this one? Look. They're following us. Harper, look. Harper, look. What's down there, look?
That one has red eyes.
It's a birdie.
That one has red eyes.
That one has red eyes. Yeah, some of them do. Whoa, lots of birdies. It's because they're hungry. Oh, look, they're all coming now. Daddy's doing naughty things. He's feeding them. Huh? Whoa!
That one.
Look Look at them all. Oh, there's a dove. Look, there's a white dove. Whoa! It's the cake aisle. Oh no. Sit down.
Where's he going?
I don't know. Dad's gone. Dad knows where he's going.
Bye-bye.
So what do we fancy for dinner? We got any preferences?
Oh, I know.
Oh,
Chocolate cake.
chocolate cake for dinner? I don't think so. What should we get?
I know.
That's bread.
I know. Egg on toast.
Egg on toast for dinner?
Or egg, ham and chips.
Egg, ham and chips. Okay, it's simple.
Mum,
How about what did we get for dinner?
Mum,
What's this? What's that? What is it? Ah, she's so excited. It's pizza. Oh, where are we going? Oh, she's trying to nick my drink out of the bag, you monkey. Is that better? You got your juice? She's like, no, that's not the Coke Zero you had. Is that better? She just needed some water. Well, you just wait a second. She needed some water.
I need a drink.
You need a drink as well? You all got to drink the water. That's good. So what are you getting? Chloe would like to buy a bottle of milkshake. So you're going to spend all your money. Anybody else you want to put in the basket then? Go give the basket to Dad. He's the strongest. No, put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. You'll never get it back if you give it to her. Basket, quick. They're spending all their money on treats, Dad. Your arm fell off. What are we looking for now, Chloe?
I'm looking for something for me.
Bingo? We're looking for bingo? Bingo? Oh, frozen chips. You ladies are spoiling yourselves today, aren't you?
To look for a toy and then a whirlpool for me.
Oh, there you go. Bella found them. Which ones are you going to get? Crinkly ones, straight cut ones? Easter eggs. They're so cute. That's Peter Rabbit. I might get myself a mini eggs one. Should we get a Rolo one for Dad?
Yeah.
You don't like Rolos? Dylan, show me what you have. Are you buying your brother an Easter egg?
No.
That is the cutest. We just got home, didn't we, Bella Boo? We just got home. We've walked a ridiculous amount of miles today. And I'm not going to lie, I was in so much pain walking home. It was really, really difficult. The kids are all like settling down with their sweets and their milkshake. They got themselves pizza and everything. So they're happy as Larry. But as for me and Dad, Dad's over there.
Mom,
I think you go to bed.
my hands are weird for opening my drink.
Yeah? Is it because they're super cold, do you think?
Yeah.
But Hop is still in the buggy asleep. I think that fresh air got her good, didn't it?
I'm a little gummy bear.
She got herself some gummy bears. This little one, which is not so little anymore, is getting so big now, and it was so difficult. I got so far, and then I was in just so much pain walking back. Very nearly called. Well, that's a lie. We actually called a taxi, but there wasn't any available, so I very nearly ended up in a taxi because of the pain. But there wasn't any, so I had to walk it back. And we made it. We concentrated on the end game. Yes, okay.
Yes.
We made it, didn't we?
Yeah.
We had some fun and some giggles. I saw it. Is that my Easter egg?
I've got some present for you.
Thank you. Yeah, I got a mini eggs Easter egg. They're for £1, and I thought, you know what? After all the walking today and all the calories we've actually burnt doing all the walking, because at one point we had to walk uphill, which was just so difficult. I think we earned this, didn't we? But
the egg is called loose.
it's called what?
Loose. One way.
It's a Cadbury's mini egg. But yeah, we had to walk uphill, and it was like vertical. It wasn't fun. Oh, it's my boy. Yeah, but we're all tired. We're all gonna just chill out for a minute get something to eat, and then who knows.
Chocolate milk mustache.
You got a chocolate milk mustache. After all that walking, my ankles were like proper swollen, like really swollen. So I decided to put my feet in a dish of hot water and just soak them and let them relax a bit. I did elevate them a little while ago and kept them upwards to try and get rid of the swelling, but now they're just really aching. So yeah, hot water, soaking them. The kids are all settled in the other room with Dad. They're watching, I think, How to Train a Dragon, I think. I'm not really sure, but I've just come in here to do this because it's not advisable to have a dish of water where there is a hot bath. She likes to get in it, like literally get in it and sit down in it like it's a bath. So it's advisable to do it in a different room. But we've had a really good day. The kids are all really tired. It's now 7:05, so it's about 7:05, so it's definitely going to be time for bed soon. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and definitely hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because we'd love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell to get notifications every time we drop a video. I'm shattered, absolutely shattered, and I'm totally ready for bed.